Now let's move on to the second page, that is return and product performance analysis. This return and product performance analysis page builds upon our previous understanding by focusing on product specific performance, particularly in terms of sales and returns over the period of January 1997 to December 1998. The top level KPIs remains consistent, providing a familiar context. A total revenue of 1.76 million, 8,33,000 units sold to 8,842 customers, resulting in total profit of 1.05 million despite a total return quantity of 8,289 and a total cost of 711.73 thousand. Now coming to the total quantity sold by top 5 product brand bar chart clearly highlights the top performing product brands in terms of sales volume. Hermanos stands out as a clear leader, followed by Telltale, Ebony, Tri-State and High Top. This indicates the most popular products driving our sales volume. Conversely, the total quantity sold by bottom 5 product brand bar chart identifies the underperforming brands in terms of sales quantity. ADJ has the lowest sales volume, followed by Prelude, Symphony, Authority and King. This information is crucial for evaluating the viability and potential strategies for these less popular brands. Moving on to profitability. The total profit by top 5 product brand pie chart reveals the profit contribution of our top selling brands. While Hermanos leads in the quantity sold, it's interesting to see the profit distribution. The slices indicate the relative profit generated by each of the top brands, allowing us to compare profit margins across them. For instance, a brand with high sales volume might not necessarily have the highest profit margin. Now, the total profit by top 5 sales region donut chart reveals a different picture when it comes to profitability compared to sales volume. The Northwest region is a clear leader in the profit generation, contributing a significant 50.05% to the total profit from the top 5 regions. Mexico Central follows with 19.5% and Southwest contributes 18.94%. Canada West accounts for 6.37%. While Mexico South contributes 5.14% to the total profit from these top regions. This highlights the strong profitability of the Northwest sales region. The total return quantity by top 5 product brand tree map provides a visual representation of the return volume for our top product brands. The size of each rectangle corresponds to the quantity of returns. Hermanos has the highest return volume, which is perhaps expected given its high sales volume. However, the relative size of the rectangles for the other top brands like Tri-State and Telltale in comparison to their sales volume could indicate potential issues with these specific products. Finally, the total return quantity store state map visualizes the geographical distribution of product returns. The size of the circle indicates the volume of returns from each state. The map suggests that the majority of the returns originate from the states within the United States, aligning with our primary customer base identified earlier. Pinpointing the states with the highest return volumes could help identify regional issues or customer satisfaction concerns. In summary, this return and product performance analysis page reveals that while Hermanos is our top selling product driving significant volume, the profit contribution across the top brand varies. Mexico South is the key profit driver geographically. The analysis of return quantities highlights that even our top selling brand Hermanos experiences the highest number of returns, warranting further investigation into potential reasons. By using the slicers for date, occupation, customer city, and sales district, we can further refine this analysis to understand if returns are concentrated within specific customer segments, geographical areas, or time periods, allowing for targeted interventions to improve product quality and customer satisfaction. And that brings us to the end of part 3 of our Maven Market case study. Through these dashboards, we didn't just analyze numbers, we told a story of sales, returns, profits, and people. And we did it in a way that's simple, structured, and relatable, even for those who have never opened Power BI before. Remember, what makes a great analyst isn't just technical skill, it's the ability to make data speak in a language everyone understands. That's what we practice here at UNP, and that's what makes our presentation stand out. This also marks the end of our complete Maven Market case study. We hope it inspired you to not just build dashboards, but to craft stories that drive decisions and truly connect with your audience. Thank you for being part of this journey. See you in the next learning adventure. Thank you.